today I'm going to be doing something a little different that I never did on my channel before. So I basically want to just do a different style with my hair. And as y'all can see, my hair is in need for some life and personality, okay? I've been growing out my hair for the last like 2 years. I did a big chop, y'all. So my goal has been the last couple years just growing out my hair and putting it in natural and protective styles. So that's what we're going to be doing today. But I kind of wanted to just bring it back old school, and let me tell you what I mean by that. So I don't know if y'all remember these, but back in the day when I was little, my mom used to like put these in my hair, and I actually used to have relaxed hair, but I want to try it on my natural hair because I just want some sweet and simple styles that not only are really cute but are gonna keep my hair protected without me having to like put heat on my hair. I just want something that's just natural. So I'm gonna be using these rollers today, and I'm gonna do a roller set on my 4C hair. And I'm actually really excited because I don't do much with my natural hair. Like either it's in braids, it's in twists, or it's in back braids and I'm putting a wig on, and that's been growing my hair out super good. But now that my hair is at a length where I can do so much stuff to it, like so many styles to it, I really want to kind of like experiment. So let's see what we're working with today. So let me just show y'all. This is what my hair is looking like. It's kind of dry right now, so we're gonna moisturize it, and then I'm gonna go in different parts and use these rollers. So as y'all see, I have pink and black ones. These are a little bigger, these are a little smaller. What I'm thinking is I put the big ones in the back, maybe the small ones like in the front, like really to define it. I don't really know. Quick thing, I don't know what I'm doing. Like I really don't know. I've never did this before. I really want to like put effort into doing this hairstyle, so y'all can come on this journey with me and let's create a natural hairstyle for myself. So I had went to the beauty supply store and I had got something to moisturize my hair. I've never tried this product before. I really am excited to see how it's going to affect my hair and if it's really going to moisturize it. So it's called Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils. So usually when it comes to moisturizing my hair, I just buy shea butter off of Amazon and I melt that, and I usually mix it with like rosemary, other herbs, and I do that. But it's winter time and I just feel like I need something a lot more heavier because the shea butter just isn't cutting in for me. It's just making my hair more oily and less moisturized, which I don't like. So we're gonna try this and see how it changes my hair and hopefully gives it some moisture. So I'm gonna start with the back. I'm just going to make a small part in the back, brush it out, moisturize it. Yeah, so we're just gonna start here. Let's just start here, and I just bought this. This is crazy. $8 and it can't even come out the darn bottle. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, it smells like candy. Like it smells like Starburst. I don't know if that's a good thing. Is this natural? Probably not. Wow. This smells amazing. Okay, let me stop trying to eat the lotion. So as y'all can see, I have this part right here. I'm thinking maybe just doing like 3 sections. So I'm putting this in and I'm able to just like run my fingers. Like it's not even like a fight. And I absolutely adore that. Like, wow. Okay, I'm really liking it. One thing I'm gonna do is pay attention to my ends because my ends are the oldest parts of my hair and I feel like they just need a lot more attention compared to any other parts. So make sure that I just seal my ends. Whenever you're detangling your hair, girl, you always want to start from the bottom to the top, because if you start from your roots, you will pull out your hair. Holy cow, that is beautiful. I think with a curler set, like I think it'll really curl if the hair is kind of like damp. So I'm just making sure I have enough product on here. Cool. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with the big ones. Roll it under. And then I'm gonna just roll like as tight as I can. So okay, this is as tight as I can get it, and to me it feels pretty good. Like it feels pretty snug, and I'm just gonna close it with this. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, y'all are gonna see me speed run through it until I get to the small ones. Like the little things in there. Okay, y'all, so I just finished my first section, and honestly, this took me like 5 minutes to do. And I'm honestly like excited. It feels good. My hair feels so moisturized with this Lotto Body moisturizer. So now I'm just going to create parts. So I did this first line. I'm gonna make 2 lines, 3 lines, and so on. Only thing is I only have 5 more of these pink like jumbo rollers, and then I basically just have the rest of these. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to like kind of space them out a little bit more just so I can have enough rollers to finish my whole head. So you guys are just gonna see me continue the process, and I'll be back to show y'all how it looks when we get to the black rollers. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I put all my jumbo rollers in my hair. Let me give y'all a little 360. Yeah. So now all I have is like my mini black ones, and I'm about to just go put them all in my hair the same way I did my pink one. But my natural hair, when I wear it in a fro, I like to have like a middle part, and then I kind of like to have like my bangs kind of like sit. I'm gonna do the front just a tad bit different, but I'll show y'all what I mean when I get there. I'll be right back. Okay, this is how much I've completed. And now this is kind of the part where I kind of want to just like hang out in the front. So I'm gonna like just start by kind of like parting the sides. And when I part my sides, like they don't need to be all straight, because at the end of the day, when we take the rollers out, we just need it curly. I'm kind of just gonna do this to like every part. Like I'm gonna just go side, 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 side. Got 3 rollers left. So one thing, if you really have like a lot of hair, if you got long hair, if you got thick hair, if you just got a lot of hair, get more rollers. I had about, I want to say maybe like 16, 17. It was not enough for my hair, like at all. I should have just bought a lot more than I thought I needed, because now it's, you know, I'm on like the last curls, and I'm realizing that I don't have enough. My hair is pretty thick, so even if I take a small part like this, sometimes it's just not going to fit in the roller. So now I'm trying to figure out how I can divide this into like 3. So I'm thinking I'm just going to do like maybe one in the middle, and then 1 in the back. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the same thing to the middle and the back part, and I'll show you guys the final results.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, we are finally done. One little minor change I had to do. I should have kept the pink bigger rollers for the top of my hair, because I realized when I do my parts, for some reason the top of my hair just feels a lot thicker than the back. I had exchanged the pink ones that were on the bottom with the black ones so I could put the pink ones up here, because these parts were just humongous. But I honestly liking the way it looks. Like honestly right here, like I don't even mind just walking around my house looking like this. So now the most important part is just to let it dry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw my bonnet on, and then I'm gonna wait for like a couple hours and just touch everything to make sure that it's completely dry, because if you take these curlers out when it's wet, it's not gonna be curly. It's just gonna be like just damp hair, and you don't want that. So I'm gonna go put my bonnet on, go do some things around the house, wait for a couple hours to pass, and then I will be back to show you guys the final reveal. And we're gonna take each curler out to see what the curls are doing, and I'm hoping they're popping, and I'm hoping this can be a new style that I'll wear. So I will be back in a couple hours, guys. Okay guys, I am back. It's been a little over like 3 hours, so I'm just gonna take this out and see what we're working with. Start from the bottom up. Actually going to like twist it out, so I don't want to like ruin the curls. Like so good without using any heat. Only thing is, whoo child, air drying this thing takes forever. So I took all of them out, and even after like 3 hours, it's still a little damp. Now, if you had like a blow dryer, or even if you could sit under like a hood that like has like air coming out, that would work too. But honestly, I think like if you want to like have this hairstyle, you're clearly gonna have to like pre-do this like the day before or something, because even just me sitting around the house for like 4 hours, it's still not even like dry, but I'm gonna just separate it a little bit and see if we can make this like cute. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. And I actually really like it. Not only did it drop my curls and made it look fluffier and weighed my curls down, it just looks really nice. Like it made my hair, my type 4 hair, look a little bit more loose and flowy, which I like. I've never really seen my hair like this before, and I didn't know it can achieve this just by using rollers. Granted, I'm pretty sure like if you keep your rollers in for at least like a day, if you're air drying them, I'm pretty sure it would look way more curlier and volumized. But this is final look. Mind you, I put my rollers in 11 in the morning. Let's say I had to go on like 4 hours, like this is the look I would achieve. But if I had to go tomorrow or maybe even tonight, like way later, it would have looked a little different. So I'm definitely gonna try again. But just even for like 3 hours, it looks pretty good. One thing that I did learn, I used those big jumbo rollers. I'm probably not gonna do that again. And let me tell you why. The jumbo rollers, you're using more hair in the roller and it takes way more time to dry. So if I used basically just all the black small ones, not only would it have gave me tighter curls, it would have dried quicker because it's less hair in each curler. So I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna use a whole bunch of small ones. I don't care if it takes me 20 more minutes to put all my hair in rollers. I'm pretty sure it would have gave me the exact results that I wanted. But granted, I really like how it came out for my first time. I would do this again, change up my method, and boom. So thank you guys for getting to the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I want to get to 500 subscribers. We're really close. I started out my YouTube with only like 30 subscribers, and only in a couple months we're already at 400, so I'm happy about that. So please join the community for more and upcoming videos, and I post every Saturday, y'all. So be prepared for that. And if you guys liked how I did my hair, if you guys have any comments, if you guys have any recommendations of what I should do next, please comment down below, and don't forget to like this video. So thank you guys, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye.